So this is what my normal lighting looks like. I use just 2 regular lamps. And now this is with my 2 softbox lighting kits. Look at the difference on that. Wow, that's a big difference. Today we're unboxing the Emart 1000W Softbox Lighting Kit. Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ruben. I just got my softbox lighting kit through the mail, so let's go ahead and unbox it. At first glance, I was pretty disappointed with how it arrived. It was damaged right here, as you guys will see. As you guys can see, my hand is literally going through it. That's how damaged it was. So that's unfortunate. But other than that, it looks like it's in pretty good condition. The bag doesn't look like it's messed up too much, so I think we will be good in that area. Let's pull it out of the box. Comes in its own little bag. That way you can carry it around on trips. The bag handle is made of decent material. Seems like it'll hold up quite nicely for a good amount of time. As of purchasing this, it's $66.99 on Amazon, and I will have links to it down in the description below. Okay, now let's open up the bag. Okay, so inside the box, you have just the general outline telling you what comes in there, descriptions about the item. Then you have 2 separate bags, which I'm assuming will be either the light stands or the light cases itself. We'll see right now. And then you have these 2 little boxes, which I'm assuming are the 105W light bulbs. And actually these, I believe, will be the light stands. All right, so we will get started with the light stands. Pull those out real quick. They do come in their own box, and they're each in their own individual bags. So at first glance, the metal material doesn't seem like it'll bend too easily. It seems pretty durable. And then obviously these will just extend if you want to make it a lot bigger. Okay, now we'll just unbox one of them just so that it's a quicker video for you guys. I don't want you guys to have to watch a super long video if they're both going to be the exact same thing. So next I'm going to pull out the light case. Okay, so in the light case bag comes the diffuser, and then the light case itself with the switch and the outlet. It's a 3-port outlet. And I must say the material on this case seems really, really good. Unlike other softbox lighting kits, this one's actually really easy to set up. Most of them you actually have to put in the poles itself, but for this one, they already come installed. So all you gotta do is just stretch this out, open it up a little bit, and it'll pop right into place. Okay, so now we're gonna set up the base. Really, really easy. All you gotta do is push up on here, and the base will start going down so that it can get stability. It'll widen out for you, just set it down and it'll stay in place. Okay, now on your lighting case, your softbox case, you're gonna have a little hole right here. And all you're going to have to do is untighten the screw that's inside. That way you can actually put it inside the pole. So just place that right on top. Once it's in place, tighten the screw again, and then make sure you also tighten the screw on the base so that when you lift it up, it doesn't move. There we go. Now the base won't move when you pick it up. So now on the other side, you're going to have another screw, and this one will be to lift up and tilt the light box. So I'm gonna loosen that, pick up the light box a little bit, and then I'm going to screw it in exactly where I want it, tighten the bolt. That's good right there. And now you can open up the light box. Now just push in to get this to lock in place. It locks on its own. So now we're going to pull out the 105W light bulb. It comes in its own box, and it has the phone. A pretty good size light bulb. Here's the light bulb size comparison compared to a 32-ounce hydro flask. Pretty much the same size. Width-wise, pretty much the same size too. Okay, we're going to screw that in. Okay, so with the diffusers, it does have some Velcro here, and that'll just attach to the back of the light. Make it really, really easy to set up. So then there's the one on the top, the one on the sides. Okay, so this is now with the diffuser on. So this is what my normal lighting looks like. I use just 2 regular lamps. And now this is with my 2 softbox lighting kits. Look at the difference on that. Wow, that's a big difference. So we have one right here, one right over here. I'm gonna mess around with them a little bit so that it gets a little bit nicer, because I can see right now that this side looks a little bit darker. So I just gotta rearrange a couple things. But wow, that makes a really, really big difference. And I know this was just the unboxing video of it. So in about a week or so, once I use it a little bit, I'll do a review on it, see if they're still hanging in there, if the quality of them goes down a little bit, Maybe if they get too hot, I'll go over all those things in the review. But as a first glance, these things look incredible. It makes a really big difference on the quality.
Now, if you want to learn how to get more views on your videos, click on the top video link. If not, check out one of my recent videos by clicking on the bottom video link. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the circle so you don't miss the review next week. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.